Hi there, this is our Dali combination mill, Taiwanese, really good quality. It's an older mill, but this one's spent a lot of its life, or most of its life, not being used. When it's come to us to give you an indication, a lot of the electrical contactors were sticky because they haven't been used for so long. The belts up in the turret head here look as though they haven't been on some of the pulleys and just sort of look as though they've had hardly any use. I had a look to see if the coolant pump needed cleaning, etc., and the belts that drive the main horizontal here were still nice and tight and had never been adjusted. So everywhere you look on it, it's really easy to see that it's hasn't really been used over its lifetime. The quill here is like brand new, hasn't been up and down, so it's really tidy even though it's an older mill. It's got the feed to the longitudinal here, cross back and forward with, what's it got, 6 feed ranges plus a rapid in each one. Coolant system, the main ram pushes out by hand, swivels round this way, and also the main turret head swivels that way, it doesn't tilt down. It's got the manual quill feed here, so your main arm, which is working nicely, and like I say, that quill's like brand new. And then you turn this here to engage your fine feed, and that's working really nicely as well. You've got your wee feed shut-off here, and locks. Coolant pump control, high and low range speed to here, as well as the belt change. Your power to your feed motor, power to this vertical spindle, and then power to the horizontal spindle. Electrical cabinet over here with your direction rotation electrical switch here for both the spindles, and then your gear selection here for the horizontal spindle. Very tidy everywhere. Alright, I'll run you through things. That's the coolant pump running there. I haven't got fluid in it, it hasn't come with any fluid, but I imagine it's like new back there. I can run you through those feeds first. So that's that feed running, and I'll engage that. That's at its slowest there. Heading towards me, neutral, the other way, and I'll rapid that, and rapid it back towards me. So I'll neutral, turn that off, I'll put it in another range. That's fast. Oh yeah, that'll be its fastest feed there. Going that way. Neutral, coming back towards me. So that's the feed, and I'll run you through the vertical turret there. So that's running at a clockwise direction and high. I'll stop that. And put that to low, and I can change the direction too. So that's running in low counterclockwise. I won't change the belt speeds, and I haven't changed them, but it does look really good in there. So that's that vertical, and now I'll start up the horizontal spindle. I should put it in its lowest speed for you, I suppose. So that's 80 RPM, going anti-clockwise. Stop there, and I'll turn it the other direction and take you to the next one, which will be 125 and a clockwise direction. Next one, which will be 210 Whoopsie, wrong button. Oops, haven't put it in gear properly. Yep, so that's 210. Okay, next one. Will be 335. It's 530. And last one 900. And I'll change the direction in that higher speed. So that's running clockwise and anti-clockwise. It's got the wee self-oiling system here. You pull this out and that's holding pressure nicely and appears to be lubricating nice. All the paint job's beautiful. The manual up and down's a real dream to operate, and so is the cross. It's got very little play there and it's just really nice to operate, and so is the longitudinal, and that's just a dream to operate as well. So you can really feel the quality in it. It's everything you operate feels really nice and smooth and easy. There's probably not a lot more that I can show you. Really nice small / medium size combination mill, and it ticks over like a dream.